grade 3s, I hope you are doing well at home and that you are staying safe. Today's video is a language video and you've done the language part of this video before, so it's just again a little bit of revision. We are doing plurals, and in Afrikaans a plural is called meervoud. 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 I don't know who of you can remember, but there are two rules for when we change the word from the singular to the plural in Afrikaans. I'm not sure if you can remember those two rules. For in case you can't remember them, I'm quickly going to help you remember them. So the first thing when we look at for when we want to change a word from the singular to the plural, do you remember, is our vowel. So we must look at if we've got one vowel or two vowels in our word. If we have two vowels, do you remember what we do? We take away one vowel and we put an E at the end. Do you remember those? For instance, if we look at the word farm, which is plaas, my vowels are A and A. I've got two vowels, plaas. Then I have to take away one of the vowels and add an E at the end, and then it becomes plase, which are lots of farms. So if it's a double vowel, we take away one of the vowel and we put an E at the end. If it is a single vowel, we look at the sound right next to the vowel. For instance, if we look at the word klasse, my vowel is A, there's only one vowel. Now I look at the letter next to my vowel, which is an S. What do I do with that letter? Do you remember? You have to double that letter and put an E at the end. So I double my S and I put an E at the end and it becomes klasse. If there's only one vowel, I do not take away any vowel. I double the letter next to my vowel and I put an E at the end. If there are double vowels, I take away one of the vowels and I put an E at the end. Now that's quite easy, so you should be able to do a lot of words, changing them from the singular to the plural form. So I'm going to do a few with you just to help you remember and to revise a few of these words and the rules with you. So if we look at a put in Afrikaans, a put, it's a big hole, it's a well that you have the water at the bottom, a well, put. Now if I want to change put from the singular to the plural, what's the first thing? I look at my vowel. There's one vowel. So then I look at the sound next to my vowel, which is a T. I double the T and I put an E at the end and it becomes putte. Putte. Lots of vowels. Then we've got a pet, which is a cap that we wear. A pet. One vowel again. So I look at my sound next to my vowel. It's a T. What do? I double it and I put an E at the end. Then I've got pette. Pette. If I have the word stroom, a stroom is a stream. I have the word stroom. What do you see? It's got double vowels. What do you do with double vowel? You take away one of the vowels and you put an E at the end and it becomes strome. Strome. Do you see that? The next one we've got is a haan. That is a rooster. What do you see? Double vowel. Take away one of the vowels, put an E at the end and it becomes hane. Lots of roosters. Now grade 3s, in your book that you received long ago during the lockdown, I want you to now write the date as well as the heading, and you remember the heading is always the day that you are doing the work on. So then you write the date and the heading, and then I'm going to give you a few words that you have to change from the singular to the plural. Okay, so you're going to write the word and then next to it you're going to write the plural of the word. If you have a double vowel word, you are allowed to take away one of the vowels in your book. As you write, you make a cross over it to show that you're taking it away, and then you can write the new word next to it. You don't have to make a cross, But if it's easier for you to remember to make the cross over one of the vowels, you are allowed to do that. Please write neatly in your books and ask mommy or daddy or your auntie or your au pair or your granny or whoever does homework with you to just check that you have done it right. You must have fun and write neatly.